One of the clearest signs your garage door opener needs repair is inconsistent or unpredictable behavior. Arlington homeowners may first notice strange noises, slow operation, or remote delays. Signs of mechanical or electrical issues. Local weather conditions, including high humidity and power surges, can accelerate opener wear. Keep an eye out for sudden door reversals, grinding sounds, or an opener motor running without moving the door. If your remote only works intermittently or visible parts like chains and mounts appear worn, it's time for a check. These symptoms often signal deeper problems with gears, sensors, or circuit boards. Garage doors are heavy and complex. Delaying garage door repair can pose serious safety risks. Always prioritize professional diagnosis for anything beyond basic sensor cleaning or battery replacement. Pro tip: regular maintenance like cleaning tracks, checking auto reverse, and listening for unusual sounds can help prevent bigger problems. A yearly inspection is smart for Arlington homeowners. Don't wait until it breaks. If you're noticing any of these issues, visit Family Christian Doors Arlington repair page for timely, expert service.